I got here in my hand the Notch Throwline Pop Box and the Notch Folding Cube. Today I want to talk to you about which one of these is going to be better for you. Starting first with the Folding Cube, I think there's a couple small advantages that this one has. It has a slightly smaller footprint to it to fit into your bag or inside of a case. As you can see, got the Folding Pop Box here. One's just a little bit smaller than the other. From the side profile, it's pretty small advantage, but I'd give that to the Folding Cube over the Pop Box. One advantage of the Pop Box over the Folding Cube is I think it's a little bit simpler and easier when you open it. I'll show you here for just a second. To open this up, you literally just drop it and it opens itself, which is really nice. As opposed to when you're gonna do the Folding Cube, we're gonna take off the elastic here, fold it out, set it down, put a foot on the corner and give it a twist. Definitely takes a little bit more time to open up and not quite as simple either. So in terms of weight, honestly they feel pretty similar. Even though this is a full shell case, it's definitely a little bit heavier. If you're going a long distance or hiking in somewhere, you might notice a difference, but it's not a substantial difference, honestly. As far as putting them both away, I always take a foot, twist, and then you got to fold the two corners in and fold it again. That gets you your classic triangle shape. Honestly, sometimes I find for new guys on site, this can actually be surprisingly complicated. There's several times I get this out of the truck and it's just not put away properly. Versus something like this Pop Box. It's very simple, pick up and put away. So you're just gonna pinch the two corners here. It comes down and then literally fold it in half and that's it. It really doesn't get much more simple than that.